Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about how to remember trigonometric identities. We all know there are three trigonometric identities. Each trigonometric identity will have two ratios. Okay. In first we are having sine and cos, in second we are having secant and tan, and third we are having cosecant and cot. So you can see here no ratio is repeated in other identities. First of all, this is a logic given by me, so you can easily remember how to write these formulas. Many students get confusion with plus and minus sign here, whether to write secant square first or tan square first, whether to write cosecant square first or cot square first. There is a bit of confusion between these things. Okay, first of all, try to write them in a sequence: sine square, then cos square, tan square, cosecant square, secant square, and cot square. Why I have written square over it? Because every identity will have ratio squares. Thus I have written squares on them. After that, use the first and second ratio which is in sequence to get the first identity. Okay, so what I have written sine square and cos square and then added them to get what? 1. After that, to get the second, this is the first identity. Okay, to get the second identity we have to start where we left the first identity. We left the first identity at cos square theta, so from here we have to start the second identity. So like this we will start. So here you can see cos square we are having, but we are starting with secant square. As we know very well, secant square is a reciprocal of cos square. So as we cannot take the same cos in the second identity, so we are going to take secant square instead of cos square. After that, the third ratio which is in sequence, okay, we will write with secant square here. Okay, then we have to change the sign between them. So we first we are having plus, so we will change it to minus. Okay, so first we will have plus, then we will change it to minus. After then, this is the second identity we got. To get the third identity, what to do? We have to start where we left the second identity. So we left the second identity at minus tan square, so we'll start from that only. Okay, so how we'll write? We will write minus as it is. Tan square, instead of tan square we can write cot square. Okay, cot square theta. Okay, this is also finished. Cos square theta we are having. After that, which identity is unused? This is unused, so we will use that one with cot square, and then cosecant square. It will also become what? 1. So what sign should be here? So again we have to change the sign from minus to plus. So now I am writing in proper form, that is first positive term, then negative term. So this is the third identity we got. Hope you understood this one. Thank you.